Hello everyone, I'm Avinash and I'm back again with an amazing resource for you guys, that is TCS CodeVita previous year questions for practice purpose. If you don't know anything about TCS CodeVita, then I have already shared a video about CodeVita, their registration process, eligibility, benefits, and how you can participate, and what topics you should cover in so that you can crack. Because once you crack TCS Code Vita, you can get a offer from TCS up to CTC 11 LPA. Okay. Also, in the second video covered by Karan, you will get the idea what topic you should cover, like what DC topics you can cover, like string, array, linked list, stacks. So these are the some of the topics that is mostly asked in TCS Code Vita. From these topics, they ask coding questions. So if you want to crack, then you should practice on this topic. Okay. Also, previously I have shared many resources like quantitative aptitude material, TCS NQT most common coding question, that is ask, cognizant, essential, OA questions, and TCS Wipro aptitude material 30 plus, companies placement material, CS fundamental placement material like notes and interview questions. Okay. DSA in C++ Java, all these resources are for free. You will get the link in the description of these videos. You will also get some startup list. Okay. Remote hiring startup list. It is from the resume template, cover letter, cold email. Okay, go check it out. If you need any particular resource, do comment on the video. I'll try to share it with you guys. Coming back to our today's video. In today's video, I'll be sharing TCS Code Vita previous year questions for practice purpose, because like once you get in a practice, you can get the idea that what type of questions can be asked. Okay. So the first question is about date time. Arun, basically they give question in form of a story, and you have to build the logic to solve their problem. So you will get the problem statement, then input format, then output format. You will get the example, and based on that example there should be an output with explanation. So it contains at least 20, I guess, yeah, 20 problem statement. Okay. With problem statement, input format, output format, and explanation. So if you are looking to prepare for Code Vita, then this doc file is for you only. You will get the link of this doc file in the description. Check it out. Okay. Also, I'll be also attaching this doc where you will get the data structure to be covered for TCS Code Vita, like array, string, topics to cover like basic operation, insertion, deletion, traversal, two pointers technique, sliding window, common problems like finding duplicates, sorting, maximum subarray, sum, string, string manipulation and searching, substring search, linked list. Okay. So cover all these topics from DP, bit manipulation, hashing, preparation tips. Okay, you have to practice through online coding platforms. Go to CodeChef or LeetCode, start preparing, because the for first round, first like June 1, the exams will be in November, and for June 2 in be December. Okay, I will attach the doc file link in the description. If you have any doubt and if you need any help, do comment on the video. I'll try to solve your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss an important updates like this. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.